Hey everybody, check out what I have here. I have this screen endoscope, and I'll show you guys what this one is here. And it should have a light on the end of it as well. Comes with, I guess, a bunch of little pieces and parts. I guess these are extra pieces and parts that I might need. Here is the device, and here is some instructions. That's everything out of the box. So let's take it out of the box here and show you guys what we got. So here it is here. It's by JYTONE. Right there you can see. It's got a little Velcro on here. Here we go. And another one. Oh, I'm good. It fell on the floor, but I'm okay with that. And so this is it here. It's got kind of a stiff cable, so you can make it nice and straight to go into a car engine or whatever you need. So let me go ahead and see if we can figure out how to turn this one on here. I'm gonna say the power button at the top. I don't know if it's charged. We'll find out here in a second. We've got a little screen. Peel off. Oh, there it is. And here, whoop, now I see it's going all around. But okay, let's see if I can show you guys what it is here without, yeah, there you go. You can kind of see there's my door. Sorry, all these lights are reflecting on it. There we go. So there, now you can see me. You can see inside my mouth. But look at that, that's really cool. I mean, it's upside down right now, so I could turn it around or whatever I wanted to do. So, well, this way it would be upside up. So there I am. So it's got a good one here. Let's see how it looks. Let me look at it here up to something close. So yeah, I'm looking at the box. This is just looking at a box, and you can even see all the little fuzz on the letters, which are actually very big. Let me see if I can, I'll hold up this box here. I'll show you guys on the JYTONE box. So like if I look at it here, look at the endoscope, you can see the E. And look at that, we can just see all the details of the E. How cool is that? It makes it nice and big and clear. This is a really good one here. And then let's see what else we got here. We have this button, zoom. We can zoom up to 3 times. So then it's gonna be crazy big, absolutely. This button here is contrast. So we can change our contrast if we need to. Okay. We can flip it there, so I didn't actually have to turn it over. It'll just push the button to flip it. This one here is the saturation. Oh, it makes it kind of yellowy, I guess. And then that is LED 2, 1. Oh, it's the light. It's got a little light at the end of it, so that's what we're doing. So light. Oh my God, that's the inside of my mouth. Okay, so really cool. I'm just gonna sit here and play with this. But okay, but you get the idea. It works well. So for me, I'll be using it for my, in the car engine, so I got to find things, find where leaks are and stuff like that. Under here we have it looks like we have a charging port here, and it looks like a reset button as well, so we can do that. On the other side, is there anything here? Nope, that's it. So really nice little endoscope, so if you need one, just be checking stuff out and looking at things. This is a good one here. It's got a great screen and everything. I really like this one. So, and I think we're still in the 3-time zoom. Yes, so we can go back to 1-time zoom. So super cool. Thumbs up for sure.